What I'm about to share with you is the first job that started this entire career in this company that we've been able to build. So I found my first mentor who was making about $1 million a year with his online business, and I decided, let me work for him. And it was a appointment setter. He just needed me to send messages inside of his Instagram account because he was having a lot of followers that were interested in buying his courses. So I just took on the role for him. I didn't really have any training. I didn't have any mentorship or guidance. I was kind of just thrown into to figure it out. It was really messy. And today, my company has trained over 700 people on how to become incredibly talented setters that can make $7,000 a month or more. And none of that would have happened if I didn't choose to turn my mess into my message.